Hey YouTubers, I'm gonna do a video on packs. Sort of a stupid show because I only got one pack, but still. I got BT, battle tested, sideways pack, non-camo, that's ammo, just black. And for Woods Ball, you gotta remember, BT is the best Woods Ball company there is. So, if you're playing Woods Ball, you should be having a sideways pack. Okay? A lot better, okay? And also, when if you're looking to buy a pack or whatever for Woods Ball or whatever, get yourself a BT sideways one. I mean, like,
it's the best.
Yes. And my friend over here, he wants to get this pack too. So that's another bonus. And then another bonus about this pack is it's got this little pack, this little thing here, and then you can put your extra O-rings and membership and all that stuff. And it just holds it right in there in a nice little spot there, and then it just, believe me, it won't fall out. So you're ready with that. Velcro. It's actually quite comfortable. And then it's also got the air tank holder. So if you like putting your air tank on your back or whatever, then that's there too. I know most of my videos are quite like short, but the only reason why I do that is because wouldn't you rather me have a whole bunch of videos than a couple just like really long? And another thing is, I have a question for you guys. Do you guys want me to? I'm getting a whole bunch of stuff in June, and I was wondering if you guys either want me to do them all in one video and make it like a 20-30 minute video, or would you rather me do them separately, unboxing and review? Let me know on my page, and just let me know, and I'll do whatever you guys want me to do, okay? And now remember, Woods Ball BT, best, and also for Speeds Ball, NXE or Empire or Die, whatever the hell you like. Depends on you, but I prefer NXE for Speeds Ball and BT for Woods Ball.
Bye.
See you later.